Welcome to Recreation USA. Let's have a quick look at this pre-loved 2024 Grand Design Momentum MAV 27MAV. Travel trailer, toy hauler, 13 feet 6 inches garage. Ramp patio, solar package, queen bed, dual ACs. Why Recreation USA is the #1 authority. The 2024 Grand Design Momentum MAV 27MAV is built for adventure seekers who demand rugged utility without sacrificing high-end comfort. Featuring a massive 13 feet 6 inches garage with no annoying wheel wells to get in the way, this toy hauler makes loading your gear effortless. As the #1 independent dealer in the Southeast, you get our lowest price upfront with absolutely no hidden fees in the back end. Make this fabulous toy hauler yours today and give us a call at 8437561072.